Dress So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Banban from Garten of Banban. So let's get started. To draw this cute red monster, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, not too wide, just nice and close together, and I'll draw another circle. There, so my two circles in, we need to come back inside, and in the center we're going to draw another circle. And then within this circle, in the center, we're going to draw another circle. We just want a little white highlight right in the center and then shade everything else in. There. So same thing on this side. There, now we have the eyes in. Let's go ahead and draw the mouth. So right underneath the eyes, we're going to draw this kind of jelly bean shape. So let's come right here, the width of the eye, come about right here, right underneath the eye. And then we're going to draw this curve that dips down right in the center. And then it's going to come right back up, just like the other side, and round it off. So bring it around. And about right here, I'm going to stop, come back to this side, and we're as if you were going to finish this curve right here. Bring this curve in, but before we do that, we need to stop because I'm using a Sharpie, but if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve. I'm going to stop and come right here, and we're going to pop in a little wobble of a curve for the tongue. And then go ahead and continue our mouth. And then I'll come in here and shade this all in black. Hopefully that's what it is. I hope I totally forgot to make sure if this is all black. If not, I'll go in there and change it up when I color it on the computer. I thought it'd be really nice to color this all in dark so you can see a little bit better. Okay, there. So now that we have this shape right here, I'm going to continue it, bring it down for a tongue. So just want a smooth curve about right here. Oh, actually no, it goes this way, sorry. We're going to come out that curve and then connect it right here. Just round it off a little bit and connect it. There. So it doesn't go the other way. So let me come back in here and just wipe this out really quickly. White on my boo-boo. Okay, so now that we have that in, now we can go ahead and draw the body. So right about, let's say the eye area, we're going to come to the center of our eye, come really close to it and just give yourself a point. Center of your eye, same thing on the other side. And let's go ahead, find your center, say about right here. We're going to be basically using that as our guide to draw a U. So let's come about right here, it is our center. And we're just going to draw a U right about there. Then using this, we're going to come up to a slight curve. Just kind of slants down to the same level as that. So same thing about right here. Slanted down. There, just creating that little shape. And that's because about right here, we're going to cut it off to add some party hats. So about right here, same thing. Just extend it out a little bit. And then we're going to find the center. So this is our center. Come up nice and high for this party hat. Give yourself a point. And from there, just go ahead and draw two angle lines to create your triangle. So same thing, your center, go up And once again, angle down. There, got your 2 party hats in. And then we can draw in some details. Come here with a little trim. And then, let's see, some stripes on our party hat for some color. So same thing here. I believe the stripes go this way on this side, so change it up. There. And then we have to draw some of these things that dangle down. So just bring everything back to the center, whatever you want to put here. So I'll just put like 4 of these. Forgot what you call them. Are they streamers or? Not sure. I'm just gonna put like maybe 4 of them on each side. There, nice and festive now. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this curve down for the rest of the head. So just bring it down to about where the mouth is. To about right there. And then this is kind of like where we're going to start the arms. So this is going to come out. Just give myself a little angle so I kind of know. But I'm going to skip a little bit of space. I'm just imagining this is coming through. And so I'm just going to skip, say, about right here, kind of like the width of the arm. About right here. Kind of like where the armpit would be. And I'm just going to continue the angle line down. Just for the body. So let's keep bringing this down. This is a tall character, but I don't want to draw mine too tall because I don't really have much space. So I'm just going to simplify it and about right there. Let's bring this down. We're going to find our center. So about right here. Give myself a point, and here I'm going to draw a curve. So this is where the legs are going to start. So right about here. So let's bring this down to say about right there, and then let's go ahead and just draw these feet. So come down, and then we're just going to curve out and connect. Same thing here. Curve, come down, curve out, and connect. Nice and simple. So there. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So let's come here, armpit area, and we're going to come in with a curve. This is going to be nice long arms. So we're going to bring it all the way down to say about right here. Bring it in, and then we're just going to draw one little curve, and then curve this out and connect. There. So same thing on this side. So just like the other side, we're going to come about right here. And we just want about approximately the same area, and then this little finger that pops out. And one big curve and connect. Yay! And that is it for Banban. And of course, let's add, I'm just going to put a heart right here on Banban to make him my Draw So Cute Banban from Garten of Banban. I really hope I helped you draw this red monster fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.